In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a form in Retool. By the end, you'll have a working registration form built in just a few minutes, and you'll understand how to tweak it so it fits your needs. First, open your browser and go to retool.com. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land on a clean workspace that's designed to help you jump right into building. Front and center, you'll see a prompt that says, "What app are you building today?" That's Retool's AI-assisted starting point, and it's the fastest way to scaffold an app without dragging in every component from scratch. Click into that prompt and type, "Create a registration form." You can keep it simple, or if you already know the fields you want, feel free to include a bit more detail in the same sentence, like asking for name, email, and password, or whatever your form might require. The more clearly you describe the outcome, the closer the initial version will be. Next, look for the blue up arrow icon right next to the prompt. That's the submit button. Click it to send your request to Retool. You'll see the interface spin up your app. This can take a little while, so hang tight. While it's generating, Retool is assembling the form components, laying out the screen, and connecting basic logic behind the scenes. If the preview refreshes or panels shift, that's perfectly normal. Once the form appears, it's time to edit. Click any field to adjust its label, placeholder text, and whether it's required. If you need to collect different information, you can rename fields or change their input types. You can drag and drop components to reorder them and refine the layout for clarity. Take a moment to set helpful validation messages, like alerting users when an email is missing the @ symbol, and add default values or helper text where it makes sense. As you make changes, use the Canvas preview to see exactly how your form will look to users. If you're connecting to data later, keep field names tidy and consistent, so integrations are straightforward. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and behaves, click Publish. Publishing saves your latest version and makes it available to share or embed according to your Retool settings. After publishing, you'll have a clean, stable version of your registration form that's ready for your team or users. That's it. You visited Retool, described your app in plain English, let it generate the starting point, fine-tuned the form, and published. Thanks for watching, and happy building.